Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's the topic is concerned is chemical kinetics. Under that, the first order reaction and the derivation of integrated rate constant as well as the characteristics. As far as any entrance examination is concerned, the very important topic and the possible to ask the questions as well as units for first order kinetics only. What do you mean by the first order kinetics is the reaction in which rate is depending on the concentration of only one reactant, that is known as a first order reaction. For example, a reaction is given like A gives rise to product is given. According to the rate expression, what we can express is a rate is directly proportional to the product of concentrations of reactant or product of active masses of the reactant, that we call as a rate. Here is a rate. By removing the proportionality, we get some constant that we call as a first order specific rate constant K1 on the concentration of A to the power of 1. Hence, this equation is called as the rate equation, and the rate is depending on the concentration of only one reactant. Hence, it is said to be as a first order reaction. Now the derivation of integrated rate equation for the first order kinetics. We know well A gives rise to product is an hypothetical equation. At T is equal to 0, the initial concentration of the reactant is A moles per liter. After T interval of time, the concentration of the product formed will be the X moles per liter. Hence, the left concentration of the reactants is A minus X moles per liter. According to the definition of the rate nothing but it can be represented, that is dx by dt, change in concentration by the change in time in unit. That is dx by dt is directly proportional to A by A after t interval of time, the concentration is A minus x. Here is the first order kinetics, hence it is a 1. By removing the proportionality, that is a K1. K1 is called as a first order specific rate constant, is a very important one. And separating the terms, x terms to one side and the constants to another side, and integration on both the side. Integration of 1 with respect to dx is called as a, that is, it is in the form of 1 by x. 1 by x integration is a log x, and the minus x is there, that's what minus ln A minus x. Integration of 1 with respect to t is a dt is a t, and after completion of the integration, we keep the integration constant is a c. Now, if the t is equal to 0 second, the x value is a 0. Those are substituted here and replaced the c as a minus ln a. On solving, k1 t is equal to ln log a minus log b formula, log a by a minus x. Ln stands for the base c, which is not possible to calculate in the calculator table. And the k1 is equal to ln is getting converted into log, that is a base 10 multiplied by the 2.303 by t log a by a minus x. If the initial concentration in some books is not given as A, it is given as a C naught. Initial concentration is given as a C naught. After T interval of time, the concentration or the left concentration of the reactant is given as a C, or sometimes it is CT. That is A minus X is replaced by C and A is replaced by C naught. And the K1 is equal to 2.303 by T log C naught by C. In some books it is given as R naught, it is given as R. That's a R naught by R. That whatever the book that is given, the same is the formulae. Now the characteristics of rate constant or specific rate constant of first order K1. First is the rate equation. K1 is equal to 2.303 by T log A by A minus X. A is replaced by the C naught and C, and R naught by R. Any one is the K1 expression. What the magnitudes for the K1 is K1 is equal to 1, 2.303 is a constant, by T is a time, log is a constant, A is the concentration of the reactant expressed in the moles per liter, A minus X is also concentration after T interval of time, that is also moles per liter. Moles per liter is cancelled, the left units is a time inverse. Time inverse is nothing but it may be a second inverse, or it may be a minute inverse, or it may be a hour inverse, or it may be a day inverse, or week inverse, or month inverse, or year inverse. Whatever it is a time. And the half-life, we know well, the time required to complete half of the reactants to product. Full reactants are how much is there? A. Half of the reactant is nothing but A by 2. In the above expression, A is or X is replaced by A by 2. Then 2.303 by T of log A by A minus X is nothing but A by 2. A minus A by 2 is A by 2. A gets cancelled. Left is a log 2. Log 2 value is a 0.3010. 0.3010 is multiplied by the 2.303. That's the value is 0.69 by K. Hence, the T of is not depending on the initial concentration of the reactant is the important one. Next examples of the K1 is the all radioactive disintegration. It may be a natural radioactive disintegration or artificial, means a heavier nuclear gets converted into the lighter nuclide, that we call as the radioactive disintegration. All, whether it is a natural or artificial, all comes under first order kinetics. Decomposition of thionyl chloride SO2 plus Cl2 and the hydrogen peroxide decomposition and the hydrolysis of ester or hydrolysis of ethyl acetate. Here it seems to be like the two reactants are present in the all the following example, but in any reaction if the one of the concentration is taken in the large excess, it is not calculated in the order or it is not considered to calculate in the rate. That's what these are all called as a pseudo first order reaction. Hence it comes under this category. Hydrolysis of the ester, next hydrolysis of the sucrose, hydrogenation of ethylene in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium, Sabatier-Sanderson's reaction, and here the hydrolysis of the benzene diazonium salt, it forms phenol and nitrogen gas. All are important examples. Fifth characteristics that comes under graphs, different forms and the different ways they used to ask. Rate versus concentration of the reactant. We know well dx by dt is equal to k1 into a minus x. In the form of y is equal to mx, slope is the k1. If the log a minus x against t is given, one of the equation log a minus x is equal to minus k1 by 2.303 into log a. This is in the form of y is equal to minus mx k1 into t minus mx plus c is given. Hence, the slope is a negative and intercept is a log a. And log a by a minus x versus t is given. It is in the form of y is equal to mx. Straight line passes through the origin and the slope tan theta is equal to k1. And we know well half-life of the first order kinetics is independent on the initial concentration of the reactant. That's what it is not dependent. In another ways how to express the first order kinetics is that k1 is equal to 2.303 by t log c0 by c. Here cross multiplied k1 into t, 2.303 log become ln. Now I want to solve c0 by c is equal to, when the log is sent to the opposite side, that become anti-log. Anti-log is an exponential factor, that is e to the power of minus k, e to the power of k1 into t. Where the denominator and the numerator is changed, the magnitude of the sign is changed, that is e1 is e to the power of minus k1 into t. On cross multiplication, c is equal to c0 into e to the power of minus k1 into t is a very important form of the first order kinetics. On the basis of the first order kinetics, these are kind of the questions is a very important in objective manner. What is he asked? We need to prove T 99.9% is equal to 10 into T 50%. What it means? For a first order kinetics, in order to complete 99.9%, it is a 10 times than the T 50%. It's the simplest way, no need to go any formula. One side is a T 99.9%, another side is a T 50% is given. Means if the percentage is expressed, then the A value should be the 100. Here is A is a 100 always initial concentration. X value is a 99.9. Here the X value is a 50. Then both are substituted in the expression. 100 minus 99.9 is a, like this circulate, 0.1. 0.1 by 100 is a 1000. Log 1000 containing 3 zeros, hence that is a 3 value. Here is a 100 minus 50 is a 50. 50, that is 100 by 50 is a 2. Log 2 value is a 0.3010. These are cancelled. On simplification, we'll get T 99.9% is equal to 10 into T 50%. Like that, it is a very easiest